Hi guys, it's Lauren from KLK, and we are going to do the best friend tag. And so, if they get the question right, they don't get whipped cream in their face. But if they get it wrong, then they have to put whipped cream on their face. So,
we have helpers.
Let's get started. Helpers, come here.
We have helpers.
Happy birthday to Kay. It's her birthday soon. Yay. Okay, we're going to start with the first question. Okay. What state was I born in and what city?
Oh! Michigan!
Born in Michigan. Pittsburgh, Michigan.
Lauren, don't hit me, please!
No, but that's the fun part!
Oh my god, this is the nastiest food I've ever had! Oh my god, do you have a towel? Do you have a towel? Oh my god!
Pittsburgh. No. Okay, the answer was Indiana, Fort Wayne.
Oh.
Second question. What is my favorite color? Oh, I know.
Big green! Big green! Oh my god,
She got it last. She got it last. With the
I'm sniffing it. I can't. It's in my nose.
Put it close to where you shot that. Cynthia.
Wait.
Wait, it's not that?
I'm so scared.
I got it on my hand.
Oh man, I know it!
Don't tell her. What is it? She don't know. She's gonna get it last even though she gets it right. American Eagle.
Oh, okay, no, I would have got it wrong.
That was 3. Okay, 4.
That's the hair!
Right there. Cynthia, show the camera your hair.
Okay, keep going.
This morning, like just now. What? How old is my dog?
Hold up. Wait. He's 4.